iOS 26.4 is just around the corner, and it's bringing a lot of new features, including 3 new ways to customize your iPhone. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. First up, if you're not a fan of iOS 26's liquid glass design, you can always dial it back by the tinted option that already exists under Settings, then Display and Brightness, then Liquid Glass. But if you want to take things even further, there's a new Reduce Bright Effect settings in iOS 26.4. You can find it under Display and Text Size in Accessibility in Settings. Turning it on will minimize highlighting and flashing when interacting with on-screen elements, such as buttons or the keyboard. Then there's a feature called Charge Limit. It lets you set a maximum charge limit that's anywhere from 80 to 100% of max battery capacity. The idea behind the feature is that using a lower charge limit can extend your battery's lifespan. In iOS 26.4, Apple has added a new ability to customize your iPhone charge limit via automation. You can find it in the shortcut apps. Once you create a shortcut with a new charge limit action, you can have your battery charged to that level base. You can change it on factors like whether you're home or away, on Wi-Fi, or using 5G, and a lot more. And last, the default video player in iOS 26.4 gives you the ability to customize Subtitle Style. Whether you're watching video in Safari, the Apple TV app, or any other app that supports the default player, you'll now see a style option in the subtitles menu. Available styles include classic, large text, outline text, and transparent background. There's also a Manage Styles button that lets you customize the look of subtitles even further. It takes you into Settings Accessibility menu, where subtitle style options were once hidden away. Do you plan to use any of iOS 26.4's new customization settings for iPhone? Let us know in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.